Welcome. In this section, I will provide an overview of my recruitment platform. The system uses PHP to modularize the code, such as a database PHP for the database connection and a navbar for the navigation bar. This approach improves maintainability and reduces redundancy. The code also uses semantic HTML elements like header, nav, and footer, which enhance code reliability. The CSS maintain a consistent color scheme across the website, ensuring a unified look. The header of the index includes clear navigation links, such like home, solutions, about, and deployment section. It employs an infinite scroll to showcase information about service. It also integrates a deployment section and about us section, closing with an image gallery. Finally, we have the footer with contact informations and map, keeping the original structure. Users are invited to log in, where we can see a well-designed web page and a contact form. The contact form uses JavaScript to validation. Also, a CAPTCHA service, inserting the user input match the stored CAPTCHA. Also, all database queries involving user input utilize the validation form, the validation JavaScript elements. Passwords are security hashed using password hash before being stored in the database. And during the login, password is verified to compare the submit password to the stored hash for security authentication. The system personalizes the user experience through role-based access control. There are two primary roles, admin and regular users. Admin you use admin PHP dashboard, which provides full access to manage user registration and settings. This includes the ability to manage the database and oversee user data such name, email, telephone, and message from all the users. Regular users, on the other hand, are redirected to the user dashboard. Here, after login, they can view and manage just their personal information with very limited access. How the PHP sessions start with a section start to track user login state and roles. Here we have the database with admin and users. We can see that admin is fixed here, where I create an admin with a fixed email, also a fixed password. In the process login, we can check the primary role as admin with fixed with one email. When email is different of the fixed one, it will bring a user. In the process register, user can't use the fixed email. It's blocked just for the admin. Also, when login, the system will check if the fixed email will return the database from admin, else all other emails will be added or processed in the login web page and will log in as a user. We can check how it works on the web page. Here we have the form, and all the fields needs to be filled. Also, a company mail. Again, field needs to be filled. Password needs to be filled with 9 to 10 digits. So if we try with 5, we'll have one error. If you try with 10, we'll have an error again. Message also needs to be filled. And we also need the CAPTCHA. Register successfully. It will redirect to the login page. Here we can see that we have a new user, CCT College, with the email. We can check by email and this. Now we have the user portal with the email identification, the message for the admin, and the status. We can also log out. We can do a security test, so we can use the CCT email again, and the system will verify for duplicity. CCT test. This mail is already registered. Please use another mail or login. Same will be applied for the admin account. the email is reserved for admin. We can also do the login as admin. And then we can see from the admin dashboard that the same information that we have in the database, including the new user that we just add now. The admin can manage the database from database page, so we can delete the user from here. And now we have just one. That's all for today. Thank you.